Okay, hey, my name is Jerome, and I am the marketing director for digital real estate strategy. I want to show you something today. People always ask me, hey, can you help me build a course? And yes, that's one of the services that we offer. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a demonstration of one of my courses, right? I'm going to show you one of my mini courses as well as one of my full courses so you can have an idea of what it is that we do here. All right, so that being said, let's begin. First and foremost, our mini course is what you see here, right? So I have a book, I have a best-selling book that I generally give out to people. And accompanied with that book, you get a companion guide. And essentially what that companion guide is just a mini course, right? So we do a variety and we host a suite of services here. We can build landing pages, we can set up your marketing, we can run ads for you, funnels, websites, you name it, just about anything digitally and tech wise, we can do that for you. So what you're looking at on my screen is one of my funnels, right? This is my book funnel, and this is a funnel. If you're interested in purchasing, if you're interested in reading our book on marketing implementation, you come here, you pay for the shipping, and we'll send you the entire package. But this is one of our pages that we built. You can see here, I'm showcasing the page, and I just want you to see the page so you have an idea of the funnels that we built. This is a really beautiful funnel that we've built. It looks pretty cool. We got some other examples as well, but I just want you to see this because today, this is what we're going to go over, right? This is our funnel on marketing, right? If I go over, we have another, let's show you another funnels while we're at it since we're on funnels. And a funnel is just a marketing device that you use to showcase or sell a product. This is our other funnel. This is a funnel on a course that we sell. That's a funnel and you get to see that there, right? So this is one of our funnels. I know I'm scrolling a little bit fast. You could always visit it. I'll drop links in the description, but that's a funnel, right? So why am I showing you this stuff? This is the front end stuff that you're going to see, but I'm going to show you what you get on the back end of once somebody becomes a customer, right? So I'm going to switch over to the course, right? And once you purchase so this is the book, Remarketing Book First Chapters, the Kindle version, companion guide. This is a mini course where you purchase the book, you get this automatically, right? So we set that stuff up, the systems. You get this automatically when you purchase the book, and it's going to look, you're going to get a login, you're going to get an email with a username and a password. You log in, and this is what you get. You're going to get something very similar to this. You're going to log into your site, and this is everything here. So this is our mini course. And currently, we have 18 lessons in there, right? So oops, let's go back. I made a mistake and clicked it. So this is what the course looks like. It's giving you an overview, and I made it a little bigger than normal just so you can see it, right? Start here, funny story about the remarketing book, and these are all courses, right? These are many modules within a course, right? You get to see all of this. We even include some bonuses, right? So the remarketing podcast as a bonus. You're going to get to see these in detail in a little bit. But yes, we build courses. This is one of the services that we provide. Bonus content, masterclass, you see all of that there, right? All right, so what I want to do here is I'm going to start the course and you're going to get a demonstration of what the customers see, right? So you're going to pop into the course and they're going to go through the modules. Hey, this is Jerome. I wanted to personally congratulate you, blah, blah, blah. I'm letting them know that their book is on the way, right? I'm letting them know I'm writing the ad copy. I got all of this stuff in there. Got my bio here, so you got a little bit of marketing. People always know who's bringing them the information, right? So you always know. Jerome Lewis, this course is brought to you by. This is some good marketing stuff. And when they're going through the course, they can kind of click this and complete and move on, right? Module 2, right? About this lesson. This was a social media post that I did and I wanted to showcase so people can understand a little bit of the history and writing the foreword and getting the foreword completed, right? That's the legendary Ronald Grant. I have lots of respect for that guy. He's done a lot for the real estate industry, taught me a lot as well. And those are like 2 modules, right? I'm gonna go back over to the categories. Actually, let's go back. And yeah, let's hit categories, right? Let's go back. So These are the different categories. We were just in this particular category here. Uh, when someone gets the book, they're going to get these first few chapters, right? They're going to get the mini companion guide. They get the ultimate implementation coaching. They get all of these things, right? These are all options that are available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the first chapters, and this is the lessons for the first chapters, right? Start reading here. This is a remarketing book flip book. I can click on that and I go directly in the module. So this is what it looks like. This is the book, and this is only like the first few chapters of the book. I don't want to give away the entire thing, but I want to make sure I'm taking care of my customer while their package is on the way, right? So this is what the book looks like in the digital format. And this is just the flip book. This is another version of the book. I'll get a link in there. This is the Kindle version of the book. Let's go back to categories, right? Let's go back to the other module. So we got the mini companion guide. You can see like this bar here. This bar is to showcase progress or not, right? If the person is progressing through the course, like this stuff is set up all automatically for you when you build your course, right? This is my companion guide, mini companion guide that comes with the book. Go back to categories. This is the other bonus, marketing the podcast we put in there for you. You can also be a guest. Let's go inside. There you go. So the podcast laid out for you. We got all of them in there. And you can listen to these podcasts when you want. Let's go back to the categories. This is so you can join the Facebook community, but click here and join the community. And this is some bonus content and bonus master classes that we have for you, right? Secrets you need to know about advertising, lead generation, and marketing implementation. This is also a report that comes with your book, physical report. You can see that there. 11 social media mistakes, same idea. This is a physical book that you get as well. This is the remarketing, retargeting presentation. This is another presentation that I did with Krista. This is the ultimate video marketing guide, right? So really quickly, I just wanted to showcase, people always ask, can you build a course? Can you help me build a course? Yes, we can. We do just about anything here. That's the course again, so you can see it. These are the modules you all saw. Bonus content and extras, and we're always updating this thing. That's one course for you, right? Let me go back over to, oh man, I gotta delete that out. To one of the other courses. So this is another course that I have available for you, and I just want you to see quick demonstration. So this is 29 lessons. This is the social media for real estate course, right? Digitize social media for real estate. And intro, here we go. You pop in here, and this is an intro for my customers, my prospects, anyone that purchases a course. This is the ultimate goals sheet, right? This helps you get your vision together on your courses for your business. I'm sorry. This is the Facebook community. You click here to join the community. This is a video where it helps you optimize a Facebook profile, and you can just see we're going through the different things, right? These are 14 lessons, right? Facebook basics categories. Advanced ads, if you know, this is another course, this is a course upgrade. You can click here and purchase the advanced ads if you have not. Back to categories. Bonuses, that we got some bonus webinars, bonus content docs in here. Let's click on this, see what's going on in here. Here's an explainer video. Here's the document that you can use in your business, ad copy, etc., right? And let's go back up. Let's go back out. Bonuses and some extras, right? So that's the course. 29 lessons in there, templates, documents, whatever you need is there so you can run your business. So let's see, let's explore one more module for you. Content frustration elimination. So this is the course. This is a checklist. This is the document. right? For you to, and this is the video. This is the this is a video on how to create an online course if you wanted to do it yourself. And this is my presentation on the who, what, why, how presentation format. And this is what we use a lot for creating content online, right? Presentations, courses, you name it. This is what we use. So there you have it. My name is Jerome Lewis, and for anybody that's interested, you want help building out a course, contact me and we can set something up. So I appreciate you watching, and I will see you on the inside. Bye bye.